Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the FOXPEED G29 Jump Starter Power Pack. So this is basically a power bank that has been made in a certain way so you can hook it up to your car and jump start your car if you need to. So this is very cool, and I've always been interested in having one of these in my car just as kind of like a safety thing. Now these are currently around $80 on Amazon, but if you use a little coupon code on Amazon, you can get 10% off. So check the link in the description to find that. All right, so let's go ahead and get this opened up, test it out, and see how it works. So as you can see here, the whole power bank here comes in a very nice, solid, protective case. So when you open the box, that's all that's gonna be in here. And then we can unzip this. I like the little logo right here, and this has a very nice, sturdy feel to it. The zipper feels good as well. So when we open this up, we can see the G29. So on top, we have a user's manual. We have the jumper clamps, and these connect to the terminals on your battery. I really like how this has a voltmeter on it, a wall adapter for charging via USB. This is an adapter right here so you can power DC devices. A Type-C connector charging cable. And then right here, we have the actual power bank. So it has a nice protective little cover on it. And I like that in the case, there are directions for how to use this. So if you're not savvy with cars, it's very simple to do, and we'll actually go through it in this video. But I like that it has the instructions here. So if you were giving this to maybe a family member or a kid that just got their first car, it would be pretty easy for them to use this if they needed to. Get this out of here. Really not too big and does not have a very heavy weight. You can definitely feel the size of the battery in it, but this is nothing that is going to be a problem from a weight perspective. So looking at the top here, we have a really cool design with the FOXPEED logo. Then we have a power button, so I'll hit that, and you can see it brings up a little gauge with the percentage of the battery life. So this is really nice to be able to see that. Now, if you hold down the button, it'll turn on the flashlight here, which is really cool that this has a built-in flashlight. So basically, if you have this in your car dies on the side of the road, the battery on this is so large that you're always gonna have a flashlight available. And this also has a strobe feature with SOS. So you can put that in your back window, try to get some help if you're on the highway or something like that. And then you just long press the button to turn it off, which I like because this probably won't accidentally get turned on. So moving over to the front right here where the flashlight was at, we have two USB connectors, and these are gonna be outputs for charging your cell phones, maybe tablets, things like that. And then we have a flap right here, and this is where the terminal connectors attach to the actual power bank. And I like how this does get covered so you don't have to worry about it getting dirty. Looking at the side over here, we also have a Type-C connector. And this is where you actually charge the power bank, but as you can see, it says out as well. So this can be used to charge devices, and you could charge more heavy duty devices such as like a MacBook, things like that. And then we have the DC output where you just take this little adapter, plug it in, and then you can power things that require DC. So that's really gonna be it on the device. There's nothing else. The build quality of this device is not the best that I've ever seen. It's definitely not like falling apart or cracking, but the plastic does seem slightly brittle compared to other power banks that I've used in the past. But if you're gonna keep this in your car, you're really not bringing it hiking with you, things like that. So it doesn't need to be the most sturdy device. All right, so now that we've taken a closer look at the FOXPEED G29, let's go ahead and start testing it out. All right, so our first test of the FOXPEED G29 is going to be just a riding lawnmower. So this is a pretty small battery, but this riding lawnmower has a dead battery, and I've recently been starting it by jumping it with my car. But I also think this is a good way to show you how to actually use the G29. So first I'm gonna try to start it without the FOXPEED G29 connected to it. Now connecting the G29 is very simple. Simply take the red clamp, put it on the positive terminal, which should have a red or a plus symbol. Then take the black connector and hook it on the negative terminal, which should be black or show a negative. So as you can see, this is showing the voltage, which is pretty low. Now take the FOXPEED G29, open up the flap, and simply plug it in, like so. And now when I try to start the lawnmower, all right, so now I'm going to test the FOXPEED G29 on my Nissan Armada. So this is a 5.6 liter V8, pretty big engine. So if it can start this, it can probably start just about any other car. Now I have a good battery in this car. So what I've done is unhook the negative terminal, and I'll just hook the FOXPEED directly to that so we can start the car and test it out. So to connect it, I'm just going to connect the red terminal. Then I'll connect the black terminal to the connector. and then plug in the FOXPEED G29. And now let's see if I can get it to start. So as you just saw, it was able to turn over my Nissan Armada with a 5.6 liter V8. Another thing I want to keep in mind, the battery is only at 61% right now. So even if this is not full, it can still start a V8 vehicle. All right, so that was a couple tests of the FOXPEED G29. And as you saw, this successfully started not only a V8, but also a lawnmower engine. And that was with a pretty low battery of only 50%, around 60% when I jumped the Armada. So overall, really impressed with how well the FOXPEED G29 works. I think that I would feel secure having this on a road trip or something, knowing if I broke down or my car didn't start, I could use this and it would definitely start my vehicle. I also like that it has a flashlight and charging ports with the DC adapter so I can power all kinds of devices. And in an emergency on the side of the road, I can turn on the flashlight and even have it in the blinking mode so I'm more visible and I don't get hit by a car. In addition to that, the clamps are pretty high quality feeling, and I like that it has a voltmeter on it so you can see if it's the battery that's dead or if it might be something else going on with the car. And then you have this really awesome carrying case, which I like because you can just put everything in here and then throw it in your trunk. You don't have to worry about it breaking or getting hurt in any way. All right, so that was the FOXPEED G29. If you have any questions about this device, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description of this video so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.